Hello beauty crew, and welcome back to SheDoesBeauty. And if you're new, hello. So for today's video we are going to be doing a mix it up because I feel like it's been forever since I've done a custom mix, so we're gonna add a little Christmas feel to it. So don't forget to check the description down below just so you have links and all the names of all the products that I'm gonna use. Now measurements aren't really precise. I just went ahead and added some frost glitter as a base, and I'm just going to work and add to that. And of course we have to add my favorite little glitter mix in there. This is my absolute favorite. I feel like I use it in every single glitter mix, if not every single set. I feel like I use it all the time. I just love the different effects it gives. I got it from OceanNailSupply, I want to say, so definitely check that out. I'll leave the link down below. But now we're just gonna add some snowflakes. Just add a couple. I kind of wanted to add stars, but I don't know. Would you guys have added the stars? You let me know. Leave a comment down below. I ixnayed them just for, you know, just in case. You can always add salt to the soup, but you can't take it out. So instead of the stars, I'm gonna add some of this organic nails Tulum. I don't know. I'm horrible at these names, okay? And then we are going to use, first of all, by Nail Heaven. I don't know if I showed it in the beginning, but it's kind of similar to that other one, this one, but this one has acrylic already in it. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of that instead of, but I may still add the other glitter. This other glitter does say it glows in the dark, but I don't know. As much as I use it, I really didn't notice a difference or it glowing, but it still gives it a nice effect nonetheless. Now it is time to mix it up. I like to mix it before adding the acrylic just so I kind of know what it's gonna look like. I feel like when you add your clear acrylic, you kind of just get that cloudy effect of just all the acrylic, you know? So I mix it up first, see if I like it, and then I go ahead and add a kind of 2-to-1 ratio of acrylic. So if there's this much glitter mix, then I'm gonna add twice as much acrylic. So I'm gonna use Young Nails clear acrylic, and I'm just so excited and ready for their Black Friday deal because I definitely need to buy some more monomer. I try to stock up when they do have the deals because that really is the best time to get their products. So don't forget to check out their website on Black Friday. So let's just go ahead and put the cap on and mix that all up, and let's test it out. I never know the right way to use these little like display tips because part of me loves keeping the display side smooth, but I don't know, like part of me is like meh, because you can't really see the design and all of the glitters through that side. So, and I kind of noticed that here, so I'm just gonna take that bead off and just replace it on the other side instead of the inside well of it, because I just feel like you couldn't see the snowflakes. So just gonna start over there, and then yeah, let's just act like this is the beginning. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and swatch this, and wow, so pretty. No, but I really do like that blue, okay? I'm definitely gonna have to do a blue and like white or silver set for Christmas and winter time. I'm so ready, so excited. So we're just gonna keep building up that nail just so we get the full effect on what it's gonna look like. Don't forget to clean off your snowflakes as you go, just so that they can be more prominent and the white stands out without a little bit of that blue glitter on them. And then after we are done with that, we are going to encapsulate our entire nail. Now once we encapsulate our entire nail and our glitter is safe and not going to be buffed or filed off, we're going to set that nail aside and we are going to label our jar. As I said before, I just had that blue frost glitter in there, so I'm going to relabel this and put a little snowflake from my actual like sequins instead of the glitter, just so I know I have that glitter still in there. Alright, so after we label our new jar and we file, shape, and buff our nail, let's go ahead and add our Beetles top coat. And I don't know about you guys, but I am in love. I'm kind of happy I didn't put the stars, but I kind of wish I would have in a sense, just to see how it would have looked. But again, you guys let me know, would you have added those silver stars as well? Do you guys like this look? I think it's really cute. I'm so excited for winter nails. Thank you guys for joining me in this video. I love you so much. Don't forget to like this and I'll keep making the mix it ups. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!